Remember, this Tinder account is an online dating, so basically once you create a Tinder account, basically you can find partner for yourself and do other stuff. All right, but in order to unlock the full version of Tinder, you need to buy the premium version, because in the free version you guys are limited to only some stuffs. All right, now with that out of the way, if you guys are new to our channel, first step, you download Tinder from your Play Store or App Store and open up. It's gonna look just like this. And over here, you gotta choose whether you want to sign up into Tinder using your Apple, Facebook, or your phone number. I'm gonna go with my Facebook over here, so I'm just gonna click on my Facebook, click and continue. Now, once you're over here, you need to click on continue. If it is with Google, it's gonna ask you to, sign up with your Google, but I chose Facebook. Over here now, click on create a new account. So once you're over here, what you want to do is enter your phone number and click on continue. I'm gonna do that real quick. After typing your phone number, it's gonna send a verification code to your SMS. After you receive the code, type the code, click on continue. On the next step, it's gonna ask you to enter your email. So enter your email over here. After entering your email, click on continue. On the next step, just want to click on skip. I don't want to connect my Apple ID, so I'm just gonna click on skip. You have to click on I agree, which means you agree to its terms and service. Over here, it's gonna ask you for your first name. Enter your first name. And it's gonna ask you for your date of birth, so just enter your date of birth over here. I'm entering my date of birth. Continue. And over here, choose what you are. I'm a man, so I'm just gonna do that. Continue and choose what type of person you want to meet. So I'm straight, so I'm gonna click on that. Continue. I want to see woman. Continue. This is basically like a normal form, so just try to fill it like in a normal way. All right, so over here it's gonna ask you to add 2 of your photos, so at least add 2 of your photo. I'm gonna add 2 of my photo. You also do that and click on continue. All right, now after you add your photo, your Tinder account should be created just like this. So first you need to allow access to Tinder. So basically I'm allowing Tinder to access my location.